4. Quick decisions. Sole trader takes quick decisions on various matters related to business operations. He can implement them immediately without consulting others. 5. Lower cost. We have always seen roadside food sellers do everything alone, and that too at super fast speed. Keeping an assistant would increase the cost of his salary. So a sole trader ensures that there is lesser waste and better control on the expenses incurred, as all expenses go out of his pocket. 6. Development. The risk and rewards are directly connected with only one person. The sole trader takes extra efforts to update his skills and learns through his experience consistently. He tries to keep improving his personality, leadership qualities, and take better decisions. 7. Flexibility in operations. Since only one person has to take decisions, the owner or sole trader can be very flexible. This may involve expansion of existing business, adding new business, reduction of business activities, etc. This is very important for success of any business. 8. Limited government control. There are some minimum government regulations on the activities of a sole trader. No rigid legal formalities has to be followed for either forming, running, or closing down the organization. Sole trading business is not required to get registered. It has only to follow the routine tax rules and general laws. Otherwise, government interference is minimum. 9. Credit standing. Close contact with customers helps sole traders to build up goodwill for himself. Banks and institutions can give loans easily due to the unlimited liability of the owner depending on his assets. Also, it is easier for him to apply for such facilities since he does not have to consult anyone else or take permission from other owners. 10. Efficiency. As he is directly gaining from profits and is directly liable and responsible for the losses, the proprietor runs his business with maximum efficiency, with least wastage of time, efforts and resources. He also makes sure that productivity is maximum and maximum skill is used in every aspect of the business, leading to higher profitability and better reputation.